Hello, 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 and welcome, welcome. Well, today I am going to talk to you about something I have to do in order to reach my 100-pound weight loss goal, taking the GLP-1 Mounjaro. So just to catch you up, I am on a weight loss journey and I have lost 77 plus pounds taking Mounjaro. It's been 19 months. And I just can't believe the time has gone by faster than I thought it would. When I started my GLP-1 journey, I set out to lose 100 pounds. And ultimately, I want to get in Wonderland. So if you know me, I am a goal setter. And in order to reach that goal, I wanted to give myself a target. So I gave myself into the end of the year, the end of 2025. So that would mean that I would need to lose a little bit less than 23 pounds, so about 22 pounds in order to reach that goal. So can I do it by the end of the year? Well, you know that I am not someone who loves to exercise. I've been doing the strength training because I really like that. So I said to myself, I really need to get the cardio in. You know, I'm really good at doing that strength training, but when it comes to the cardio, not so much. I don't love doing that. So I thought, what can I do to kind of step my game up? Well, I am a slow and steady loser. I have lost slow and steady over time, and I don't want to rush my weight loss, but I do want to reach this goal by the end of the year, getting to that 100 pounds down. That would be nice. Now, if I don't do it, you know what I always say, I'm going to give myself grace, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to try to reach that goal. So I thought to myself, you know, I have to tighten up on my eating, make sure I'm getting my macros, make sure I'm getting that protein first. And I also need to really, you know, kind of step it up a notch with the working out. And one of the things that is going to get me moving and grooving is to have some workout gear, right? Some workout clothes. IUGA reached out to me about partnering with them and trying some of their activewear. And I thought, first of all, you know, how are these going to fit me? You know, can they fit me? Will they fit me? And then I thought, is this something that I'm going to be able to be comfortable when I'm working out? And so I thought, I'm just going to take a chance and I'm going to go for it. I'm going to try IUGA out. And let me tell you, when I tried these yoga pants, they were like yoga pants, but really you could wear them for all occasions. So I thought, let me try these out. I'm not going to share anything that I don't try and I really like. So I chose 4 things to wear. And I just have been going throughout my day wearing these different yoga pants and workout pants. And I even have a little sports bra that I wore. So I'm going to give you an honest assessment just in case you were thinking of purchasing these. Now, I've heard people say that this IUGA activewear is like a Lululemon dupe, right? Getting the best of what Lululemon has to offer, but for $20 to $30, which is much cheaper. So I'm going to let you know, do I think it compares? Should you purchase it? What should you do? So let me tell you, I am shocked because I've been wearing these pants since I received them. I've been wearing these yoga pants as like my out and about go-to pants. And I love a good comfortable pair of pants. I do. When you're a certain size, it's hard to find comfort. So I was able to do that with this IUGA, and I'm going to share exactly what I was wearing. Now, I had my daughter. She just followed me around and she took pictures and she recorded me, which was great because I am going to share with you exactly what I wore, what I ordered, how I look in it, and if it's comfortable or not. And I'm just going to tell you, spoiler, it's super comfortable. I love it. So I'm actually wearing some of the pants and I'll show you exactly what I'm wearing when we get to that point. So I do want to start off with these high-waisted boot cut yoga pants. They have 4 pockets and here they are. Here are the pants. They have pockets in the front. I love a good pocket. They have pockets in the back. See those pockets in the back? I love how they have their little emblem there. You know, it's so funny. My daughter loved taking those. I'm going to show you my size in these These are IUGA high-waisted boot cut yoga pants with 4 pockets. I've been wearing these pants. I've been washing and going, wearing these pants because they're so comfortable. And I'm going to tell you to look at the size chart when you order these pants, because you're going to want to order these pants. Look at the size chart, because I ordered a 2X. And if you have been following my journey, you know that I tend to wear and order on the bigger side when I need a smaller size. Now, this fits me perfect, but I can see myself ordering another pair in a 1X. Believe it or not, I did order the 2X. This material is so stretchy, and it fits me like a glove. It fits to a T. So, I mean, you know, I'm satisfied with my 2X, but I could have gone a size smaller. So I'm going to say to you, if you really want to be held in, don't be afraid to go down and dip down that size, because they are very, very stretchy, as you can see. But of course, you know, Downsizing Diva, I like to wear bigger things, and this fits me like a glove. So if you look at these pictures, you will see these fit like a glove. They're not too big, but I just wanted to note that. I want to tell you, the highlight of these pants for me is that they're just super comfortable. They're soft, they're comfortable. I washed them. I was thinking, will they shrink? They did not. So I love that. So that's going to motivate me to work out, right? They're super stretchy. You can't see through them. They have the pockets. They're boot cut. I love a good boot cut pant. And they have tummy control. So check that out. Next, we have the IUGA Flex Tight High-Waisted Lift Cargo Leggings with pockets. And they call them the Booty Cargo Workout Pant. I thought that was so cute. So I'm going to tell you, I have these pants on right now. So I'm going to show you, but if you see in this video, my daughter recorded me, and these pants are comfortable. They fit like a glove. You could move, you could do all kind of things in these pants. I think they're super comfortable, and I think they're very flattering to your shape. Now I'm going to stand up and show you. I don't know if this is a good view, if you can see, but you know, we're going to give it a try. We'll give it a try. So here is that tummy control. That tummy control is holding me in. And then I'm going to show you the back. You can see the pockets. I love a good pocket. Hopefully you can see the little symbol here. I'm going to move up some so you can really see. You could put things in your pocket. And then there is a pocket. And then there is a pocket. I'm back. I think you're going to love these pants. So these pants have 4-way stretch. They're very stretchy. I'm having them on now. They have the 3 deep pockets. You could put your cell phone in. That's the best thing about these pants, is that you could put your cell phone in there while you're working out or moving about your day. So I just love these. I run errands in these pants. I do everything in these pants, including my exercise. So it's a great fit. I would try these. I'm going to have the link in my description for all these pants. Give them a try. Give them a try. Now, the last pair of pants I wanted to share with you are the IUGA Power Tight Scrunch No Front Seam Waist Leggings. And these also have pockets. I love a good pocket. So these have pockets too. And I'm going to tell you, when I saw these leggings, I thought, there's no way I'm going to fit into these leggings. And again, of course, I ordered the 2X. So here we go. And they stretch. Look at that stretch. They stretch. These babies stretch out. I could have used the 1X, but for right now, I'm loving my 2X. They fit me like a glove, and I'll take it. But they really do stretch, so you do have room. And they have pockets. Look at these pockets. Look at these pockets. I love the pockets. And the pockets are deep. Like, look how my hand goes way down here. So things aren't just falling out of these pockets. So I love that. And I have actually been wearing these pants. I'm excited about just how well they fit. And they're so soft. And they're so soft. I mean, honestly, I am not kidding around. I was pleasantly surprised because I am a skeptic. So I'm just going to tell you, they're buttery soft. That is so true. When you see that, that is not an overstatement. It really is true. They do lift your booty. Look at these pictures. Look at these videos. Look how the lift is real. And I have a lot to live. So I'm excited that you could go from doing your errands in these pants to actually working out in these pants. You don't even need to change. It just flows, right? You could dress these up. You could dress these down. They're just very nice. So I am excited about that. Now, the last thing I did order, and I'm not one of those girls who wears a sports bra walking around. I've never done that. I did order the Racerback High Impact Sports Bra, and they have sew-in pads. This bra really did hold me up. So I'm just going to share with you, just another little photo here. I'm not one of those girls, like I said, that walks around with their sports bra and showing this and showing that and showing everything. So the fact that I even have this on is a start. I don't really wear a razor bra, but I did feel comfortable and like empowered and a little sexy in this in this sports bra. So if you need a sports bra to hold you in, to hold you up, I would say go ahead and order it. Check me out. Look how it's supporting me. I have a lot to support there. So there you have it. That is my IUGA activewear. Use my code DIVA25. I will put all these items in the description, and I think you should try them out. Like, if they can get the Downsizing Diva to wear this and give it a thumbs up, it's definitely worth trying. And once you order, I would love to know what you think. I'm going to tell you, if I really didn't think it was a must buy or something you should try, I would not be on here talking about it, especially on a video. So hopefully you will join me, because I am going to be ordering more and we can be cute in our IUGA together. So check out that description and come and tell me live. Once you order, come and wear them to my live. Let me know what you think. You can even come on and show me how it looks. I am live on Sundays at 2 p.m. I am live on Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, both Eastern times. And I am live on Fridays at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. So come and join the Downsizing Diva family. We want to share your wins. We want to root you on. And we want to also help you if you're having some challenges along the way. And I will tell you, even though I have more than 100 pounds to lose, so 100 pounds is just my first goal. I have more to lose after that. I am going to continue to set goals for myself, wear cute workout clothes along the way. But I am also going to give myself grace. If I don't get to that goal by the end of the year, that's okay. I will extend it out a little bit and I will get to my goal. Now, I'm hoping to be cute and get there. So let me know in the comments, do you have a weight loss goal? Have you reached the goal? And are you wearing cute workout clothes? And if so, what are you wearing? And are you willing to try this IUGA? Try this IUGA with me. I'm going to leave everything in the description for you. Like and share this video with somebody who needs some new workout gear like the Downsizing Diva. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. And remember, slow and steady wins the race. Just don't quit. Downsizing Diva, and I'm here to say, feeling good, taking my GLP-1.